Have you ever heard someone say the chef cooked the meal, and someone else say the meal was cooked by the chef? They both mean the same thing, but they're written differently. That's because one is in active voice, and the other is in passive voice. If you're not sure what the difference is, don't worry, I'll make it easy for you. Hello guys, this is Lyna English Studio. Today we're learning about active voice and passive voice, and how to use them correctly. Firstly, active voice is when the subject of the sentence does the action. It's clear, direct, and used most often in everyday English. For example, the teacher explained the lesson. In this sentence, the teacher is the subject, explained is the verb, and the lesson is the object. Secondly, passive voice is when the subject receives the action. We often use passive voice when we don't know who did the action, or when the action is more important than the person doing it. For example, the lesson was explained by the teacher. Now, the lesson is the subject, and it receives the action. Thirdly, the difference between them is about focus. Active voice focuses on who does the action, while passive voice focuses on what happens. Active voice is usually better for speaking and writing clearly. Passive voice is useful in formal writing, news reports, or when the doer is unknown. Let's try one together. Change this active sentence into passive. The students completed the project. Think about what receives the action, and how to use was or were with the past participle. The project was completed by the students. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, and you'll get better every day. See you next time on Lyna English Studio.